Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about standard operating procedure, that is SOP. Actually, SOP is a set of step-by-step instructions for the performing a routine activity, and SOP is a set of instructions that guide employee on how to perform a routine task or work. Means SOP is a standard operating procedure and is a set of instructions guidelines that guide to employee to how to perform a routine task or work. SOP describe the operations of a certain work or a job in order to ensure that its quality, and is a SOP is a set of mandatory instructions and procedure which is written so that others individual can follow the complete job safely. Means how he can perform the job safely, that is known as SOP. In SOP, step by step instructions to perform a task or routine work is or routine activities mentions. SOP are also called protocols and work instructions, process control standard, that is PCS, and standard work sheets, and procedures and rules, that is also these are the other names of the SOP. Who needs SOP? Actually, the employee who will perform a particular job, that is managers, engineers, planners, safety officers, company representatives, and anybody that perform the job work or work. And when do you use SOP? Every day, and in case of any audit or review and orientation, new stops, annual trainings, or daily work management. Means SOP we need in daily work management, we need SOP in audits, review, and any activity we need SOPs. Why are SOP important? Describe how to perform routine activity or routine task in a standard way and ensure the safety of the employees, like standard operating procedure SOP. Make sure that employee perform all tasks and activity in a consistent, that safe manner, that is in safe manner, and guides and standard working procedures. SOP also ensure that quality and integrity of tasks that generated informations captured, and SOP also maintain the organization knowledge. These are the some importance of the SOPs. Now, how to write SOP? There are two methods actually. First is pupils actions are centered, and second method is actions have a certain degree of repetitiveness. First is meaning of human action is, in order to produce the necessary actions required by the pupils are standardized. Second is the repetitive actions means standardize the process step for producing the same product each time. Means on each time how we can produce same type of product, and that is the repetitive actions mean, and each time the work content is different, it cannot be improved. Means SOP can provide the repetitive actions, and SOP can provide the meaning of human actions. These are two steps. How to write SOP? The standard operating is the operation that satisfy the above conditions can be standardized, so the machine process jobs and processing jobs and abnormal operations are difficult to achieve standardizations. That should be written in a concise and step by step easy to read format, that is the SOP. And next is the information presented should not very complicated. Means it should be very simple and understanding language. And the active voice and the present verb tenses should be used. The terms used should not be used but implied. Follow the style guide used by your organizations, that is font size, flow, margins, etc. Next is the short form how to write SOP. First, we need to decide the scope of your SOPs. Second, we need to collect necessary informations related to SOPs. And third one, choose the SOPs type and write the first draft of SOP, and after that distribute the review for that draft and publish the implemented SOP. And again, after publish SOP, we need to staff trainings. These are the few steps of SOP, means how to write SOP or how to maintain our SOP. Next is another step how to make SOP. First, we need to create a list of the processes, and again we need to identify the audience for which we need to prepare the SOP, and define the objective of the SOP, and choose a format of SOP and write the SOPs. These are the another way of how to write SOP. There are two ways. Second basis is this, and first was the decide the scope of SOP and collect the necessary information and choose a SOP type and write a draft and distribute, review the draft and publish the draft, and again stop training. These are the first step, and this is the second step. Create a list of processes and identify your ideas for SOP, and third is define the objective of SOP, choose a format of SOP and write the SOP. Thank you very much.